Hi! In front of me is CUBOT Max 3, and today I would like to show you how you can record sounds using this CUBOT. You need to begin by opening Sound Recorder app. Now click on this red button and choose Allow. As you can see, after that, recording is on. In order to pause it or unpause it, click on the same red button. If you wish to delete it right away, click on the spin icon on the left and choose discard. And if you wish to end it and save it, click on the square one on the right. Then name it however you wish to and choose Save. Now to access list of our recordings, click on this button with 3 lines, and to play one of your recordings, click on it. If you wish to delete it though, you need to go back. Not that much. You need to go back, hold it, select delete over here at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!